The Alpine Halo9 ILX-F309 stands out with its bold floating screen design, but if you're thinking about buying it, you need to know about some serious flaws. Today on Auto and Moto, we'll reveal 7 major issues with the ILX F309 that could impact your experience after installation. First, the screen stability is a concern. The floating 9-inch display looks impressive, but it's prone to wobbling and slight vibrations while driving. Over time, this movement can be distracting, especially on rougher roads. Second, wireless Android Auto and Apple Carplay are not supported. The ILX F309 requires a wired connection for both, which feels outdated for a premium head unit, particularly when wireless functionality has become standard even in more affordable models. Third, the screen brightness is below expectations. Despite being a centerpiece of the design, the display struggles under direct sunlight, with noticeable glare and reflections that make navigation and media apps harder to view during daytime driving. Fourth, the user interface is slow compared to newer systems. The menu transitions, app launches, and system responses feel sluggish, especially when multitasking. For a modern multimedia receiver, the lag is noticeable and affects overall usability. Fifth, the built-in amplifier delivers only average sound quality. While Alpine's reputation in audio is strong, the ILX F309's onboard amplifier lacks the power and richness expected at this price point. To achieve optimal sound, you'll almost certainly need to add an external amplifier. Sixth, installation compatibility can be a challenge. Due to the size and design of the floating display, it doesn't fit well in every vehicle. In some cases, it may block climate controls, vents, or dash buttons, creating ergonomic and aesthetic problems post-installation. Seventh, firmware updates and software support are limited. Although Alpine provides occasional updates, the ILX F309 has seen slower improvement cycles compared to competing brands, leaving some connectivity bugs and feature limitations unresolved for long periods. In conclusion, while the Alpine Halo9 ILX F309 offers an eye-catching design and trusted brand name, real-world flaws in screen stability, wireless functionality, visibility, speed, audio output, and installation compatibility make it a risky choice without proper consideration. Buyers should weigh these flaws carefully against their priorities.